Welcome back, everybody, to a new video. Thank you all for coming back for another one. I know y'all enjoying this content, and I enjoy making it as well to show you all so y'all can have something to watch. I hope y'all enjoyed the Wednesday video of me doing a DIY project with the human-made steel toolbox. Yeah, that's the name of it. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I had fun doing it. It came out perfect, and I really like the red way more than that green. Give it more pop and having that satin color. But anyway, enough of that. Hit that like, comment, subscribe button down below. Greatly appreciate it. But this video is going to be about me giving back to my brothers, the guys that I've been hanging with for probably the past 10 years. I'm the oldest in the group, but you'll see their personality show through. I hope y'all see a little bit more of my personality when I'm around them. But yeah, let's get downstairs. They all waiting for me. So let's go downstairs. I'm gonna get right into the video. So let's head downstairs. Let's go. Alright, so let's get my bros in here. Let's start with Rico. Ajairus, JD. Actually, no, I don't want you to sign me, bro. You too close. Bam. Now you, JD. Alright, so that's why I ain't want you to sign me, bro. Anyway, so these are my brothers. Rico, Ajairus, Bam, JD. These are the guys I hang with all the time, I travel with, go out of town with, all that stuff. So yeah, these are guys I'm always with. So I want to give back to them, show my appreciation, my love, and all that kind of stuff to them. And yeah, they're gonna be my first time, I guess, giving them something. What was so funny, bro?
Just go, bro. Just go. Just continue.
It's you, JD.
No.
It's you, JD.
Go ahead.
But anyway, so let's get to the first gift that I want to give, and it's gonna be to Rico. So let's get it. All right, so the first gift. Y'all see this box a lot. Move your hand. Y'all see this box a lot in my videos. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what you got. Damn.
Oh shit.
It's about Rico.
Oh shit.
Hey, you see that box?
No.
Stay right there.
We got the same size shirt, boy.
Oh, this hard. Oh my god, I ain't gonna do it.
It's not yours, bro.
Get up and show them. Just show the people. Yeah. I mean, you know, something like. Just something like. I'm gonna get his first human made. JD, you touched them shirts already. You don't even touch them no more. Thank you. God. Anyway. Yeah, you getting your last, bro. You acting up, dog. You acting up, bro. Ain't no problem, man. So I want to get Rico. JD, nah. I'm gonna put a mute on that. Anyway, yeah, so I want to get Rico his first human made shirt because I man him like heavy into like streetwear and stuff like that. So
Dang, but he's so loud.
see, this is why we can't never do nothing together.
Okay, just put it down for now.
That's what we got to deal with every day. Anyway. Alright. So the next gift I want to give will be to my boy Ajairus. He's the youngest in the group, but he act like the oldest. So
He old man.
here you go, dog. Nah, just bust it on, dog.
Hey, bust it open. Why?
Bust it. Oh
my god. Good looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Hey, he literally just came in my room like, hey, bro, you got something for my beard? I got you.
Yo, I just realized something. Y'all got 4 beards, bro. Put my beard in.
You got one.
You missed the genetic trait. You barely got it. It's patchy. It's alright.
So if you watch my previous video, So you watch my previous video of me showing you the unboxing of the Scotch Porter product for my beard, I'm like, I know who can use this because it's always asking, like for my beard products, if I have any when he come over. So I decided to give him my whole collection that I got. I paid like $30 for it. He only go for like $60. So I had to get it to my bro.
Yeah, for me too. We're gonna share it. You know?
I'm about to just like blur his whole body out, bro. Anyway, let's get to the next one. All right. Bro, why are you beside me, man?
Bro, relax. Bro, relax. Okay, relax.
Bro, why are you touching me?
Bro,
watch out.
Right.
But anyway, we just keep it rolling, bro. We're gonna keep it rolling. Since you beside me, I'm gonna go ahead and give you yours. Cause I think, nah. Yeah. Anyway, here you go, bro. Here you go. Damn.
This how I
COVID test.
You already did, dog. Alright. What's that? What's that?
Female, bro.
It's some BBC.
Oh, you gay.
Oh, snap. Wait. I didn't mean to say that. Yo, this is.
You know you gotta block that out.
That's funny, bro. I gotta.
Right?
Alright.
Oh.
And yeah, go.
I don't wear this size shirt.
You don't?
I'm skinny, bro.
Oh, you don't. And what it say?
Hey, what's on the back with?
What it say?
Fly to the moon.
And what's your song?
Hey.
We gon' zoom to the moon.
Wow, man. Hey! Alright, whatever.
So yeah, I decided to give him a BBC shirt, Billionaire Boys Club, and he always doing this all the time in his damn.
Oh
God.
What's going on?
I'm trying to put it on now, bro.
But anyway, go show him. Just show him. Just get him close up, bro. Cause I ain't finna do no B-roll. Alright. But yeah, that's a shirt that he got. I thought it would go perfect for him because he always doing this sign with his hand. And he got a song that's like, we're gonna zoom to the moon and moonwalk back. So it was kind of similar to what he's saying in his song on the back of the shirt. But anyway, that's enough about him.
This nigga trash.
So the last gift, bro, sit back. You already had your turn. Anyway, so the last gift that I got going to my brother, Bam. We've been knowing each other since what, 10th grade.
30 years?
There's a lot of edits.
You gotta go, dog. You gotta go. But anyway, longtime friend. Gift him. So I think it was gonna. This gift I knew would be perfect. He'll like the shirt. But yeah.
Bro, I got a sticker, bro.
Yeah. It ain't about you right now. You should have said that when you had it. Yeah.
No, Nick, bitch. First of all, mine's bigger.
Wow.
I'm sorry, my shirt is.
We need context behind it.
Gotta leave it.
She cool, bro. That's cool, bro. At my size, bro.
Yeah, that's that brand that I've been normally picking up, Killa coat. Yeah, go show the post. Show the post, boy.
What's going on? Know what I mean?
Alright.
Got them on pages on front feet.
That's right.
So I got him a shirt from Killa coat. They had a blanket version of that, but they sold out, and I really want to get him that blanket. That blanket was fire, bro. Fire. And the reason why I got him this shirt because it just got that 90s like art cover on it, like from it remind me of like No Limit and shit. So that's why I got it. So it gave me like that vibe to it. So what's up? Yeah, go ahead. So Jarvis want to show me his.
We got a beard bomb, motherfucker. Beard condition. Can you see it? Alright, there you go.
Let me get some of that.
Beard wash. Hey, long overdue. Appreciate that.
Yeah, man. Hey, man. I'm just happy to get back, man. And plus, Bam's birthday coming up, so I guess a little early birthday gift. We may get him something, man. We'll see. Or if you say something. But anyway, so that's it for the video. That's all the gifts I have for my bros. I know I got way more stuff coming, things I want to get back to other people. And I may do a part 2 with these guys later in the future, but we'll see how they act, especially this one. But thank you all for watching again. I hope you all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Also, you can follow them on Instagram. I have that link down below, unless y'all want to tell them as well if y'all want to talk.
Link.
Alright, yeah, later.
Man, my John's surviving.
They already know yours, because yours be my videos when you in my videos, so you just shut up. Be dead at that. So, yeah, I'll leave that links down below of their Instagrams. Y'all want to follow them. Everybody, or like all of us, are different in our own ways, so you're going to see different personalities showing through our Instagram page. So, JD, shut up, nobody care. Yeah, appreciate everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Catch y'all next video. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah.
Hey, look at the camera. Hey.
Oh my God.
Don't.
It's so hard, man. Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate that.
We gon' zoom to the moon and moonwalk back. It's the game and it's a Mars attack. 2 laser guns and they on our back. I suggest you run and don't look back. Zoom to the moon and moonwalk back. It's the game and it's a Mars attack. 2 laser guns and they on